Well, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use breakout rooms with Zoom. So log into your as the host to the meeting, and then after that, click on breakout rooms. All right. When you click on breakout rooms, you can choose the number of breakout rooms you can create. You can create up to 50. For example, we're going to create 2 breakout rooms here, and then we can either assign automatically, assign manually, or let participants choose. So we're going to cover assign manually and also let participants choose. Okay, because in assign automatically, the system will, if let's say you have 2 participants or 4 participants, it will equally divide them. So let's go ahead and do this assignment by manual method and click on create. Now it will create 2 rooms. So let's rename this to something that we can remember easily. For example, like an interview sample. Yeah. All right. Then we can open all rooms, right, and wait for the participants to come in. So you'll need to do this every time you have a meeting if you want to use the meeting rooms. The concept of the breakout room is that you have a main meeting room and then you have breakout areas where people will gather to have separate discussions apart from the main meeting area. Okay, so before the participants come in, let's open all rooms. So all the rooms are open, and now we have participants waiting, so I'm going to admit them. And let me just make sure that it's all working. You can see the participants list, and you can see the participants here as well as here. So now let's say we wanted to assign them to join, right? So we can assign this one, for example, to the mindful room, and we can assign the other one to the interview room, for example. Now what happens is that the participants will be sent a message, right? The host is inviting you to join a particular breakout room. So the participant has actually got to click on the join, otherwise it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work if they don't click on it. There's no way to force it, so they have to click on that. When they do that, they will see this message, joining mindful room. Example, we're using mindful room. And then when they enter the room, they will see the room name at the top, and they will also have a leave room option. So let me just do that with this participant. I'm just going to click on join there, and the other one I'm going to click on join as well. Okay, so you'll see when they have joined, then each of the participants will be seeing that they are in a breakout room, and you will see that they have moved into the correct place. Okay, right there you can see the participants there. So if you note the main room, it is now empty, right? There's no participants. They are both in the both of the participants are now in the breakout rooms already. You as a host can also join the breakout room. Say for example, I wanted to join mindful room. I click on join, I click yes. It shows you that it moves into the mindful room, and then there'll be 2 participants in that room. Okay, yeah. And then we can also, as the host, leave the room, and this will be the similar thing that we use by the participants. We can click leave room. We can leave the breakout room, leave the meeting, or end the meeting for all. So in this case, we will leave the breakout room. And you return back to the main session. Okay, now let us look at some other options here. We can use a broadcast message to all. So for example, if we say that all rooms will be in minutes, then we click on the broadcast, all of the participants will receive a message saying that, you know, there is a message from the organizer. All right, so let us close all the rooms now, and by default the rooms will close in 60 seconds. Now where you can once the rooms have all closed, yeah, the participants will all come back into the main room. All right. You can also change the options here. For example, countdown, instead of 60 seconds, it can be lesser, 15 seconds or 10 seconds. And also there is a, what do you call that, a setting here to let the participants to choose the room, which is this one, okay? So once we allow the participants to choose the room, what happens is that there will be a slightly different view from the user's point, all right? Now let's say we change that and we open all rooms again. In this case, what happens is that there will be a notification received by each of the participants that there is a breakout room, and they will see a breakout room icon. And when they click on that icon, they will see rooms that they can join. For example, the interview room and the mindful room. And when they click join on the particular room, they'll be asked if they would like to join it. And if they click yes, then they will join that room. Okay. So what happens is that this is how we use the functions. All right.